go to your computer and you log into this site. It's called teachers.io. And the reason why, I'm going to zoom in so you can see the website there, teachers.io. And the reason why I'm showing this site is because this site works in conjunction with the My Homework app. Essentially, the way it works is it's a separate component of My Homework, but they work together. So the people at My Homework basically gave a space for teachers to put in all the information. But as you put in information on this site, it works succinctly with the My Homework app, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. So when you register and you log in, your homepage will look like this. So you can put in your picture, your information about you, your title, phone number, and all that, information. And then you can also set up your classes. Now, the important piece here is you want to make sure you connect your classes to Walker Mill Middle School. Then this way, this is how your students will find your class and join your class and be able to see all your announcements, assignments, tests, or what have you for your class. So you want to make sure you put that in there. So if I click under classes, it's going to take you to my classes. So I just put, fall in terms of the term, fall 2014 to spring 2015. So if I click here, here's a little description about my class. Over here, you can see the different assignments that are due, and you can also create assignments. So if I click on assignment, I'm going to put test assignment, set it as homework, set the due date for tomorrow. You don't have to, you put a time frame if you want. I'm just going to put an example of an assignment. And then I'm going to hit, you can also, I forgot to tell you, you can upload an attachment if you want. You can add all these different additional options over here for your information. You can put in links if you want. So I'm just going to put that there. And then what will happen is this will show up under, I think I put it under an assignment. So if we go to assignments, click here. As you can see, here are the assignments. If it was a test, it would, if I wanted to create a test, sample test, I could do that. And I can name it, study or what have you. Pick a due date. Same thing applies here. Hit add. And now you can see all the different ones I set up. All right. Now, if I wanted to put in a lesson, I could do that. We just did the test. And all these assignments will push out to the My Homework app. So every student that's enrolled in your class, which is a very easy process, all they got to do is, and we'll look at this at the app, is to find your name, and then they just join your class. No code needed. All these assignments that I set here will show up in their online agenda book. All right, now if I wanted to make an announcement, I'm just going to put for the demo. Oops, let's spell that right. This announcement, if I want to make an announcement for all my students, don't forget this, field trip that day, blah, blah, blah. You can make announcements, and it'll also show up on their devices as well. If I wanted to share some links, so if I wanted to share files, also wanted to create an online syllabus for them to access that. They can access that through here as well. So going back to my class, and you can have multiple classes going on, and only the classes that they join would be able to see that information. If I wanted to share this website with other people so they can have access to the website, you could do that here. And essentially this could replace your Google site. So your announcements, your syllabus, all your resources, assignments, you could use this, and which is a pretty simple platform to use for your Google site. And there's also a teachers.io app. So if you want to do it on the go, You can do it on the go, very device agnostic. You can use it on an iPhone, Android device, what have you. And in the next video, we'll show you how Teachers IO connects to the My Homework app. And you only have to do this once for your class when you set it up. If you choose not to do it from here, in terms of putting your assignments, you can also do it from the application as well. So stay tuned for the next video, which will go into more detail about the My Homework app and how all these announcements and assignments link to that.